Hi, Selena here. Let's go over ACT step by step. The first thing is mindfulness meditation. Take a few deep breaths and then focus your attention on your breath as it goes in and out. Notice any thoughts or feelings that arise, but don't judge or engage with them. Simply observe them and return your attention to your breath. Second is acceptance. Acknowledge and accept any difficult thoughts or emotions that you are experiencing in the present moment without trying to fight or change them. Remember that they are a natural part of being human. The next step is defusion. Distance yourself from your negative thoughts and feelings by labeling them as just thoughts and acknowledging that they are not necessarily true or accurate. And the final step is values-based living. Focus your attention on your personal values and take committed action towards them, despite difficult thoughts or emotions. This can help you stay grounded and focus on what truly matters to you. Thank you and Pura Vida.